park. I know why you're recording.
I'm only gonna do one ride around. But I'm gonna go slow. Right, let's go. Please. Okay, you stay on the left. Bro, sorry, my phone's gonna fall. That's the problem. Layla, bro, hold on. My phone's gonna fall. That's the. If it falls, I'm cooked. Go! This is like the first time, Layla. This is the first time we've ever rode our bikes to a place. Cause our dad, I'm so happy because this is the first time we ever rode a bike to a place. We're just riding around a park. This is the first time we've ever done this. I'm really happy. Layla's just alright, we made it. I'm just gonna keep turning around on our bikes because it's really fun. Oh God, I can't drive on grass. This is not good. Just gonna keep going around. I'm gonna do this way. I'm doing this on the grass because my phone.